Good morning and happy Friday. Today's date is June 5th, 2020. Here's our meme of the day. Hopefully by now you have the new packet because we've started work on the new and last packet of the year. It's almost the end of the school year. Our daily tasks are to watch the daily message, to complete our assigned lessons, to turn in our work, and make sure you check in with me at least twice a week. Since it's Friday, if you didn't check in with me yesterday, make sure you're checking in with me today, 7-1, because I have to take attendance. Today we're finishing up that lesson from yesterday, theoretical probability of simple events. The objective is to find the theoretical probability of a simple event. Your assignments for today are to watch or listen to this video, re-watch the lesson 13.1 instructional videos, check your answers to those independent problems for lesson 13.1, then complete the exit ticket, turn in your work. You can turn it into me on Teams, by texting me pictures, by emailing me pictures, whatever works best for you. I'm going to be online today from 9 to 11 and 1 to 2 if you have any questions or need any help. Thank you so much and have a great weekend. Stay safe.